The country has seen an astonishing growth in infrastructure development, especially in highway sector in the last 9 years under the visionary leadership of PM Shri Narendra Modi. In the last 9 years, investment in national highways construction has increased over 8 times from about rupees 20,000 crore in 2014 to over rupees 1,72,000 crore now.
जब हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात करते हैं तो अधिकतर लोगों के मन में पहली तस्वीर सड़कों या फ्लाईओवर की हो जाती है। ट्रांसपोर्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के विकास पर आज भारत जितना काम कर रहा है उतना पहले कभी नहीं हुआ।
Karnataka has been a strong partner of this development journey with over rupees 57,000 crore investment in road projects of over 2,500 km length, out of which more than 70% of projects are completed and rest are in the final stages of completion. To further strengthen the world-class road connectivity for the people of Karnataka, the 6-lane access-controlled highway is being inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. This 6-lane access-controlled highway has a total length of 117 kilometers and has been completed at the cost of 8,400 crore rupees. This highway will reduce the commuting time between the cities of Bengaluru and Mysuru from 3 hours to approximately 1 hour 15 minutes and provide better connectivity to the areas of Srirangapatna, Coorg, Ooty and Wayanad, which will boost tourism potential. This highway comprises of total 10 lanes, with 6 lanes of main carriageway and 2-lane service road on either side. The construction of this 6-lane access-controlled highway also involves 4 rail-over bridges, 9 major bridges, 40 minor bridges and 89 underpasses and overpasses. With better infrastructure will come better opportunities, and this will boost the business opportunities and movement of agriculture produce with ease. Also, on this occasion, the foundation stone is being laid for the work of 4-laning of the Mysuru-Kushalnagar section of the NH 275, which will be constructed in 4 packages with a cost of rupees 4,100 crores and which will be of 93 km length. This project enhances better connectivity to tourist places like Coorg and Bengaluru, with reduction in travel time from Bengaluru to Kushalnagar from 5 hours to 2.5 hours. Further, this also serves as an alternate route to Bengaluru port, and there will be reduction in congestion of the cities like Yelavala, Bilikere and Hunsur. With new highway projects, Karnataka under double-engine government gets new wings of development, fulfilling people's aspirations and ushering in a new era of prosperity.